Let us explore the Nmap command, a versatile network exploration and security scanning tool. In the upcoming slides, we'll uncover its capabilities and uses. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is a powerful open-source utility designed for network discovery and security auditing. It helps you discover hosts and services operating on a network. It identifies which ports are open and the services that are running on them. Nmap also detects the operating systems and service versions in use. It is an essential tool for both network administrators and security professionals. The basic syntax of the Nmap command is as follows: Nmap followed by scan type, options, and the target. Let's look at some examples. To scan a single host, you would type Nmap followed by the IP address of the host, such as 192.168.1. To scan multiple hosts, list their IP addresses after the Nmap command like Nmap 192.168.1, 192.168.2. To scan a range of IP addresses, use a hyphen to specify the range, for instance, Nmap 192.168.1-10. To scan an entire subnet, use the CIDR notation, such as Nmap 192.168.0/24. Let's explore some common Nmap scan types. First, we have the TCP/SYN scan, which uses the flag SS. It is the default and most popular scan type because it is fast, relatively stealthy, and does not complete TCP connections. To use it, you would enter Nmap SS, followed by the target IP address, such as 192.168.1. Next, we have the TCP Connect scan, which uses the flag ST. It is the default option when a SYN scan is unavailable, and completes the TCP three-way handshake with each target port. The command structure is Nmap ST and the target IP address. There's also the UDP scan, which uses the flag SU. This scan type is used to find open UDP ports. It is slower than TCP scans but essential for complete security testing. You can initiate it with Nmap SU and the target IP address. Lastly, there's the ping scan, indicated by SN. It's a simple host discovery method that determines which hosts are online without port scanning. Use Nmap SN, followed by the target subnet, for example, 192.168.1.0/24. Here are some port specification options for Nmap. To scan specific ports, use the P option followed by the port numbers you wish to scan, such as 22, 80, and 443, along with the target IP address. For example, Nmap P22, 80, 443, and the target IP address. To scan port ranges, specify a range of ports using a hyphen. For example, to scan ports 1 through 1000, the command would be Nmap P1-1000 and the target IP address. To scan all 65,535 ports, which can be time-consuming, use the PESH option. The command looks like Nmap P- and the target IP address. For a faster scan, use the Fast Port Scan option, F, which scans only the 100 most common ports. The command is Nmap F and the target IP address. Remember that combining these port options with different scan types gives more targeted results. Let's explore service and operating system detection with Nmap. To determine service protocols and application versions running on open ports, use the Service Version Detection option, which is SV. The command structure is Nmap SV, followed by the target IP address, for example, 192.168.1. The output will show the port, service, and version details, such as port 80/TCP Open HTTP Apache, HTTP 41, and port 443/TCP Open HTTPS Engine X1 18.0. For aggressive detection, use the option to enable OS detection, version scanning, script scanning, and traceroute all in one go. The command is simply nmap and the target IP address. To attempt to determine the operating system of the target host, use the Operating System Detection option, O. The command looks like nmap, O, and the target IP address. The output will give details such as OS details, Linux 5.0-42-generic, and OS CPECP:/O:/Linux:/Linux_kernel:5 0-42-generic. Lastly, to control the intensity of version detection, use the version intensity option and specify a number from 0, which is light, to 9, which means try all probes. The default is 7. For example, the command would be nmap sv version intensity 7 and the target IP address. Nmap provides timing templates to manage scan speed, aggressiveness, and detection likelihood. The choice depends on your specific network conditions and how stealthy you need to be. The T0 timing, or paranoid, is extremely slow and serialized, making it ideal for evading intrusion detection systems. Use nmap T0, followed by the target IP address. T1, or sneaky, is a slow scan that uses less bandwidth and target resources. The command is nmap T1 and the IP address. T2, or polite, also slows down the scan to consume fewer resources. The command is nmap T2, followed by the target IP address. T3, or normal, is the default timing template, balancing speed and accuracy. Use nmap T3 and the IP address. T4, or aggressive, is a faster scan assuming a reliable network and modern hardware. You would type nmap T4 and the IP address. T5, or insane, is extremely aggressive, sacrificing accuracy for speed. The command is nmap T5 and the target IP address. Additionally, you can fine-tune scan timing with specific options like maximum retries, host timeout, and scan delay. Here is an example of a command: nmap max retries 2, host timeout 30m, scan delay 1s, and the target IP address. Nmap offers multiple output formats to save scan results, each serving different purposes. The normal output, specified by ON, saves the results in a human-readable format. Use nmap sv ON and the file name you want to save the results to, such as scanresults.txt, along with the target IP address. The XML output, using aux, saves the results in XML format for parsing by other tools. The command would be nmap sv aux, the file name like scanresults.xml, and the target IP address. The greppable output, specified by OG, saves the information in a format that is easy to parse using grep and other similar tools. The syntax is nmap sv OG, the file name scanresults.grep, and the target IP address. If you want to save results in all three formats at once, use the All Formats option, OA. Simply use nmap sv OA, the file name such as scanresults, and the target IP address. A pro tip is to use XML output for integration with other security tools like Metasploit, or for generating reports using tools like Excel tproc. The Nmap Scripting Engine, known as NSE, enhances Nmap's capabilities with scripts designed for advanced discovery, vulnerability detection, and more. To run default scripts, use the SC option, nmap sc, followed by the target IP address. To run specific scripts, specify the script name with the script equals option, nmap script equals, and the script name like HTTP title, followed by the target IP address. You can also run all scripts within a particular category using the script equals option followed by the category name, nmap script equals, followed by the category like vuln, and then the target IP address. Scripts can also accept arguments for customized behavior. Pass these arguments using script args equals. For example, nmap script equals http enum, script args equals http enum.path equals / followed by the target IP address. Common script categories include auth, default, discovery, safe, vuln, and exploit. Let's go through some best practices and examples for using Nmap. To quickly identify live hosts on a network, use a quick network sweep with the command nmap sn, followed by the target subnet, such as 192.168.1.0/24. For a detailed scan with OS and version detection, use the command nmap ss sv ot4, followed by the target IP address. To scan for known vulnerabilities, use nmap sv script vuln, followed by the target IP address. For a low-profile scan to avoid detection, use nmap ss t2 f data length 200 and the target IP address. When using Nmap, always get proper authorization before scanning any network or system. Start with less intrusive scans to minimize impact and avoid raising alarms. Use appropriate timing templates based on network conditions and stealth requirements. And save scan results for documentation and future reference. For more information, you can visit nmap.org/book and nmap.org/ncdoc. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.